Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker. Thinking about getting a toy hauler and you're not too sure where to start? The Forest River XLR Boost is a good line to check out, as they have both travel trailer and fifth wheel toy haulers. The travel trailers run from about 25 feet to a shade over 39 feet and an unloaded weight from just under 5,000 pounds up to slightly over 9,300. XLR Boost fifth wheels measure out to just over 33 feet all the way up to just under 44 feet. As far as unloaded weight, the fifth wheels come in at just over 8,500 pounds up to just over 13,000. There are quite a few Forest River XLR Boost floor plans, 9 travel trailers and 4 fifth wheels. Let's just work our way up by length. Travel trailers first, and start with the XLR Boost 18 LRLE. The 18 LRLE maximizes the space it has to accommodate your toys. The garage gives you around 10 feet straight up the middle, with another 3 or so to the right until you run into the versatile Murphy bed. The back wall has a convertible dinette for additional sleeping space in case you have a guest. A straight line kitchen is on the off-camp side. The 20CB is an XLR Boost with 7 feet of wall-to-wall garage space and a whopping 14 feet of space until you reach the corner bed. The kitchen is straight line and on the off-camp side, and a pair of rollover sofas in the garage allow you to sleep a total of 4. Brand new to the XLR Boost family is the 21 QBS. This toy hauler has an impressive 14 foot of garage space and the bedroom completely separated from the garage. 2 rollover sofas allow you to sleep 4, and an optional electric bed above the sofas brings the sleeping capacity up to 6. The 21 QBS is the first of the XLR Boosts that has a slide out, and it pulls out the queen bed. Next up is the 25 LRLE with 16 feet of garage space. You'll have plenty of room to take a couple of motorcycles or even a side-by-side. The 25 LRLE has the rollover sofas in the back and a queen bed centered on the front wall with a walk-through bathroom between it and the garage. Next up, we have the 27 LRLE. This is the first of the XLR Boosts with a true garage. 11 foot of space enclosed off from the rest of the travel trailer, and then a walk-through bathroom to further divide the garage from the living area. In the living area, you'll find a U-dinette in a slide across from a campside kitchen and a corner queen bed up front. With the rollover sofas in the back, the 27 LRLE can sleep up to 6. The second of the Q floor plans comes up next, the 27 QB. With this XLR Boost toy hauler travel trailer, you'll get over 14 foot of garage space and a separated bedroom with a walk-around queen bed. This floor plan has the rollover sofas as well, and an optional electric bed in the garage space to give you the ability to sleep up to a maximum of 6. Its toy hauler sister is up next, the 27 QBX. The X has a small 7-foot garage with an electric bed that opens up to the main living area so you can bring in more of your toys. This garage space also shares the back wall with a bathroom that has a neo-angle shower. In the living area, you'll find a large slide holding a sofa and 84-inch U-dinette. A walk-around queen bed dominates the front bedroom. In total, the 27 QBX can sleep up to 7 happy campers. We're on to the final 2 XLR Boost travel trailer floor plans. Second to last is the 29 QBS. This model has just over 12 foot of true garage with solid wall separation between it and the living area. The garage also has its own entrance from the exterior, as well as an entrance into the bathroom. The living area has a good-sized kitchen counter on the campsite across from an 84-inch U-dinette housed in a slide. Adding the optional electric bed, the 29 QBS can sleep up to 8. The final XLR Boost travel trailer, the 31 QB, can also sleep up to 8. Effectively, the 31 QB is a derivative of the 29 QBS. The garage space is the same, as well as its access doors. The giant U-dinette is housed in a slide, and the queen bed is the same up front. What differs is the bath in the back is now a half bath, and an additional full bath has been placed next to the bedroom. An additional slide has been placed in the living area campsite to pull out the fridge and cooktop, therefore allowing room for a large, open, L-shaped kitchen. Now we move on to the XLR Boost fifth wheel toy haulers. The fifth wheel models have the ability to carry from nearly 4,700 pounds all the way up to almost 5,500 pounds in cargo carrying capacity. first of the four is the 28 RZR16. As you may expect, the 16 stands for the feet of space the garage contains, and this holds true for every XLR Boost fifth wheel. This fifth wheel toy hauler has an impressive L-shaped kitchen on the off-camp side, abutting against the bathroom with a neo-angle shower. In the garage, you'll find a pair of rollover sofas with options for a 58-inch rollover sofa and an electric bed. Up front, you'll find a king bed and a wardrobe slide in the bedroom. With all options included, you can sleep up to 8. Number 2 of 4 is the 32 RZR14. This model has a pair of off-camp side slides. One of them is in the shared garage space and living area that pulls out a sofa, fridge, and cooktop. The kitchen is finished off with an L-shaped countertop. Up front, the bedroom has a king bed as well as a wardrobe slide with a private entrance into the bathroom. Second to last is the 36 TSX16. As I predict you have guessed, the 16 means there are 16 foot of garage floor space in this camper. This is a true garage with a door and wall separating it from the living area. The garage has its own separate entrance from the exterior as well as a half bath and twin loft. The living area consists of a lot of space due to a very large slide pulling out the sofa, fridge, and pantry. Across from it sits the long kitchen with an L-shaped counter. Up front, the bedroom has a king bed, wardrobe slide, and private access to the full bath. The final XLR Boost fifth wheel toy hauler floor plan is the 37 TSX13. The largest of the XLR Boost floor plans, this layout has 13 feet of fully enclosed garage space, a space complete with its own half bath, 2 rollover sofas, plus a queen loft. Putting all the sleeping spaces together, including the optional electric bed, you'll have room to sleep 9 to 10 RVers. The 37 TSX13 has 3 slide outs. One is a wardrobe slide in the master bedroom. The bedroom is complete with a walk-around king bed and private access to the full bath. The other 2 are opposing slides in the living area. On the campside, you'll find the large 84-inch U-dinette. Opposite, there's a slide housing the fridge and range. The open space allows for a large L-shaped counter complete with a ton of countertop space. Along with this, you'll find a full-size pantry. Now that we've worked our way through the XLR Boost floor plans, let's take a look at what these toy haulers all have regarding features. Let's start with the exterior. You'll find seamless EPDM fully walkable rubber roof, power awning with LED lighting, enclosed heated and insulated underbelly, power tongue jack or landing gear on a fifth wheel, spare tire, backup camera prep, and solar roof prep. Most of the floor plans also have a 100-gallon fresh water tank. Inside, the garage area has 5,000-pound D-rings to hold your toys in place, and an oil and gas resistant floor. As for the rest of the interior, you'll find a 13.5K BTU AC with ducted roof vents, high definition LED TV in most floor plans, USB chargers throughout, large panoramic windows, upgraded residential furniture, residential walk-in shower with skylight, and a fireplace. In the kitchen, you'll feel at home with a large black stainless steel fridge, residential solid surface countertops, ball bearing extension drawer guides, and deep-seated stainless steel kitchen sink. You have your toys, you want to take them with you when you go camping, and need a good travel trailer fifth wheel to haul them. Get a lot for your money and check into the Forest River XLR Boost line of toy haulers.